welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm going to be filming a Valentine's Day look using the Maybelline palette Pink Edge. If you want to see, just keep watching. Okay, so first I started with the lightest shade and I just used that to pat all over my eyelid just to set the concealer that I had originally used to clean my eyebrows. Then I went in with this rosy pink shade, which is actually the blush of the palette. I just used it all over my crease just to set a color down as well. Okay, so once I was done applying that pink color, I just went in with this mauve-y purpley shade and I used that all on my outer corner just to deepen it a little bit. And I just kind of blended it out just so it gave my eye a little bit more dimension. So here I'm just going back in with the same pinky shade that I originally started with just to blend everything out and so there aren't any harsh lines between the two colors. So lastly, I wanted to add a pop of color, so I went in with one of these glittery eyeshadows, which I was really excited about, and you can see here my expression. I was so surprised. They turned out to be super pigmented, and I love the way they look all together. Even though the eyeshadows were performing really well, I went back in with some Fix Plus, and I just reapplied some more on top of it, and that honestly made it 1,000 times better, so I love the way the look turned out. Done applying the inner corner eyeshadow, I realized that I wanted it to look a little bit deeper, so I just went in back in with that same purple shade and just deepen it out a little bit more. This is an eye and cheek palette, so you just see me here using the blush, which is also what I used in my crease. After I was done applying my bronzer, I just went in and you can definitely see the color. I love the way it all turned out. I just finished the eyes by putting on some lashes and some wing liner, and then here I just realized I applied a little bit too much blush, so I just fixed it with a little bit of bronzer. The palette also comes with a highlighter, which is what you see me using here. I really like the way it applied. I just used it on my cheeks, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. Lastly, to finish the look, I am going to be using my Kathleen Light and Colourpop Liquid Lip in November. This is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys did vote for a soft pinky eye on my Instagram. I really hope that this video inspired you guys for any plans that you might have for Valentine's or for any other day. As a matter of fact, don't forget to follow me on my social media and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye, babes!